In today's video, we are going to talk about 3 fruits that rapidly burn belly fat. As we all know, belly fat is a common problem faced by many people, and it can lead to various health issues such as heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. But luckily, there are some fruits that can help us get rid of this harmful fat. So without further ado, let's get started. Limes and lemons are super astringent, which means they will help you detoxify toxins from your body. This is because they contain a high amount of vitamin C, which boosts collagen production. And collagen, as we know, helps to strengthen our immune system. When our immune system is strong, we are less likely to get sick, which means we will be more active and burn more calories. So start incorporating limes and lemons into your diet today, and you will see how they can help you achieve your weight loss goals. First on our list is limes and lemons. They are small but mighty when it comes to burning belly fat. Mango is a delicious and nutritious fruit that is high in fiber and low in calories. This makes it a perfect addition to any weight loss diet. But that's not all. Mango also contains a special compound called mangiferin. Incorporate these fruits into your daily diet and you'll be on your way to achieving your weight loss goals in no time. Don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Now, over to you. Which fruit is your favorite and why? Share your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time. This compound has been shown to reduce inflammation in the body, which can lead to fat loss. So if you're looking for a tasty and effective way to lose belly fat, add some mango to your diet. Second on our list is mango, also known as the king of fruits. Last but not least, we have apple cider vinegar. Although it's not technically a fruit, apple cider vinegar is a must-have for anyone looking to lose weight. This liquid gold is packed with acetic acid, which has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and reduce belly fat. To use it, simply add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to a glass of water and drink it before each meal. So there you have it, 3 powerful fruits that will help you burn belly fat fast.